City lights paint the sky. Just take it in. No time to waste or hesitate. This is it. Life's what we make it, so let's make it good. Yeah, tonight is the night, it's the time of our lives. Yeah, this is a moment I could just feel it. Sun goes down as the memories set.
This is our first time in Vietnam, and we are going up to Ban Hills today. Don't know what to expect. Hopefully the weather is good, and because it's a Thursday, hopefully there isn't much crowd so that we don't have to queue so long for the Alpine Coaster and other attractions.
Here with me underneath street lights. Don't let time pass us by. Here and now, it's a sign. Yeah, this is a moment I can just feel.
This kind of looks like a European style and maybe like a French village. And when we first reached there, the weather was quite good. There's some blue skies and clouds. So when we reached the Alpine Coaster, there was like a 45 minutes queue. So we decided to pay a small fee for the express pass. And the ride was very fun, so long as you don't use the brakes. It can go like very fast, I think probably up to 40 kilometers per hour. And we ended up playing about 2 to 3 times. I think that was the most fun ride in the park. So we stayed one night in Ban Hills because after the last cable car down, which is around 4 to 5 PM, the park is quite empty. The only downside is that there are limited food options at night, but we managed to find this buffet, which is quite reasonably priced, with also live performance, which we quite enjoyed ourselves. So of course the trip is not completed if I don't bring my girlfriend to some shady place back in the alley to eat some banh mi. And these are some other local foods that we ate in Da Nang and Hoi An.